y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something different. I'm doing a vlog since I'm turning 25 at the end of this week. I'm gonna vlog the whole week leading up to it. I'm gonna vlog me getting my hair done, nails done. Where am I going? I'm gonna go straight. Yeah, my nails, hair, all that jazz. This is my first time doing the vlog, but I've attempted multiple times before, so if this shit don't work, it's not getting pulled up. Yeah, so today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope everyone listened to at least, even if you can't go to church today, I hope you listen to like a gospel album. But I am headed to this new cafe I found. If you followed me on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. It's called the French Workshop. I'm meeting my girls there, and we're gonna have a cute little time team. Yeah. Too bad today is like not even sunny, yo. It's disgusting outside, but you know, you gotta make do with what you can do, you know. So yeah, I'll see y'all there. Here because I know what on time means. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go to the bank, get some cash. Hold on, let me put my mask on so I can talk to y'all. I don't want to look like a crackhead. So let me tell y'all a little story. So the other day I was walking, some like older white gentleman comes up to me. He's like 37, he told me. He was like, oh my god, like I'm Italian American, but I just love black women and you just look really good. I was like, oh, okay. Like, thank you. Like, okay, cool, thank you. So I was like, oh my god, like, can I get your information? Like, you just look really good. Like, Queen Latifah with like, she has nothing on you. And you know, in my head, I'm like, no shade at all to Queen Latifah. I think she's gorgeous. She has like the best skin I've ever seen. But like, as someone who's trying to lose weight, you can give me like Gabrielle Union, Jada Pinkett, Sanaa Lathan. I'm not even gonna say Rihanna. I know my place in the hierarchy, but like, damn. Guess who decided to finally show up? At the time I told her she was gonna show up, she was like, but when me speaking for reality said 1, my mouth is watering. She really looked cute. When I just said get ready, she didn't tell me it was like a cute type of thing. Okay, all right. Like a fashion tape here because my Google's trying to come out. Ooh, can the viewers see it? The what? No, okay. You can't do that for tape. Darn it. I need these views, man. I need these views. Well, I kind of want the Chipotle chicken sandwich. I don't know. What kind of bread is that? Oh, yeah. I want something lighter. I got a Chipotle sandwich. Chicken sandwich. I got iced tea, and then I have my dessert in that bag. So, bon appetit! I'm just waiting for the girls. I might take a bite though. I'm hungry. What did you get, friend?
I got the honey chicken Dijon sandwich, lettuce, tomato, and plain mustard dressing. That's my strong.
Got the creme brulee. Little cake.
Cold with caramel and heavy cream.
Your caramel.
Caramel macchiato. Oh yeah, caramel.
Bon appetit, even though I already started. My bad, I'm hungry.
Did you always vlog before you started eating?
Huh?
You started vlogging before you started eating?
Yeah, it took a little bit. Alright guys, you're gonna see how much effort is put into these Instagram photos. Hold on, put y'all down. Taking pictures of you. Hopefully they can see you.
Oh God. That's why we get an orange cone.
Huh? Oh. Really cute. I think I did a good job.
Yeah, oh, the brightness is up. There we go.
Yeah, they can see it. Ah, car. You get hit. I can't. I don't know what to tell your sister. Y'all see this work? Book me. Yes, ma'am. Oh, she still want more photos. Okay, BRB, y'all. Hey, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Today's very exciting. I mean, it's a Tuesday. It's not that exciting, but exciting for me. I'm getting my nails done today, and finally, look at these shits. Actually, look at my nails, bro. I have not gotten my nails done since like last month, early last month. So as you can see, I need Jesus. Maybe Jesus can help file these nails or something. Maybe Jesus can hold me down with a fill-in or something, because no regular human being can help me out right now. But yeah, so I'm getting that done. My gift came in, so I'm gonna go to Nordstrom to pick it up. It's a little gift I gave myself, you know, because I'm my biggest morning, because I'm my biggest fan. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I'm gonna bring y'all along. That's all good. I hope you don't think I'm crazy. Success.
Tell me if you want to, I can make it goodbye. I promise that I'll be true. I really, really want. Tell me if you want to, I can make it goodbye. I promise that I'll be true.
Hey y'all, I'm back from the nail salon. Got my nails done. That's what they look like. Something cash. I'm about to all up on this nigga's phone. Just tap away. Just text this nigga. Just type away. Just like, where are you at? I'm gonna unbox my little gift to myself. So I got myself a perfume from Jo Malone. Yes. So cute. Look. It comes in a little box. Cause we're fancy over here. My little dainty perfume. Isn't it fantastic? It's cute. It's the Jo Malone. This is Myrrh and Tonka. I've been eyeballing this perfume for a minute. And fall's about to be here, so it's getting worn. I'm letting y'all know now. It's getting worn. It's crack. It really is Thursday. I forgot to vlog, so my bad. Put y'all up here. Getting ready to get my lashes done. Definitely need them. I just feel like having lashes elevates you. Like you go from a 10 to like a 20. Because we're all 10s. Maybe not all. I have everything else besides my hair. That's tomorrow. I still didn't get my pedicure done. That's nice. Girl, let me tell you. Every time I have a birthday type party celebration, there's always a caveat. Something always goes wrong. So the place I booked told me that the earliest spot to have my birthday dinner was like 5 p.m. I was like, cool. So that you guys open at 3, that means, you know, I can come in, decorate the table, make it look nice, put all my decorations and balloons and whatnot. I called them to confirm, make sure everything's good, because something in my spirit told me, you need to call. He was like, oh yeah, girl, we can't let you in earlier than 5 because there's a party ahead that's coming in as soon as we open. Bitch. So now, I'm in Long Island, and to go to Brooklyn, no matter where you live in New York, Brooklyn is just so far from where you're at. I could be in Brooklyn, and bitch, it's anywhere I go, it's just far. I don't know how it works. I don't know. To get my lashes done, I gotta drive all the way to Brooklyn, make sure the place that, well, they gave me another option. It's like, oh, there's a den upstairs. I gotta go check it out before I confirm, but that's my life. How's your life? How are things? So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get my lashes done. I don't know if I can film, actually, because my eyes are gonna be closed. So I'll let you see the before and after. So this is before. Hey, just got my lashes done. Let y'all see it. So it's 7:01. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get dinner. I'm gonna get something real healthy, real light. I'm not gonna mess up my diet. Totally a liar. I'm getting crab legs. Yeah, this diet life is not for me.
My one desire, taking me higher.
Hey guys. Shout out to my hairstylist. I'm gonna tag her below. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm on my way out. I'm about to go to like a solo dinner thing. Yeah, I just felt like looking cute at an upscale restaurant, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I got this dress. I don't know if I like it, but I got this dress from Burlington. I got my little purse from Aldo. So my shoes are in the trunk of my car, like the hood rat that I am, but it's gonna be black heels. So see you there. Like